Hello, you're welcome back. This is the sewing tutorial of the previous video. This is the finished work. This is what it looks like. We have zipper at the back. I made two dresses. It's for two kids of the same age. You can see it's so beautiful. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut out the lining for the front pattern, cut out the lining for the back pattern, for the lower part of the dress. Also, for the flare, I'm not going to be putting lining because I don't want it to be too heavy. So this is the lower part of the dress. This is the lining for each piece of the dress. So I'm going to go ahead and add lining to the front pattern and the back pattern. I'm going to be joining this lining to each fabric. So I'm going to join the neckline. After joining the neckline, you sew, you notch, then you join the shoulder line. After joining the shoulder line, then you join the armhole. Remember that this is an armless dress, a sleeveless dress, so you don't have to leave that part opened, so you have to sew it round. So for the lower part too, I'm going to be joining at the lower parts because I'm using the lining to turn it in, so I won't have to sew the lower part. So I'm using the lining to turn it in. I'm doing that for the back pattern also. So this is what it looks like after joining the shoulder line, the armhole. This is what I have next. So the next thing to do is to join the lower part. I'm going to be joining the lower part of the dress. That is the one that looks like the skirt. So I'm going to go ahead and join by the side. Remember, I have a belt for at the waistline to make it fitted. So I'm going to insert the belt and join the dress by the side. So this is what it looks like after joining the upper part, then joining the lower part also. You join the lower part separately and make sure the waist measurements are the same. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach the lower part, the flared part. So I'm going to be splitting them into two. Remember, it's a full circle, so I'm going to be splitting them into two. So I'm going to join the upper part and lower part, but I'm going to insert the first flare, the first layer. I'm going to insert the first layer in between. So this is what it looks like. This is what I have. This is the first layer being inserted. So I'm going to go ahead and do for the rest. Remember that we divided each part into 3 inches. So the first part is gone. So the next part, by the time we removed our sewing allowance, is remaining 2.5 inches. So we're going to mark 2.5 inches for the first part and rule. So for the second part, you are going to measure 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches all through. Then you join, you connect the lines. So I'm going to go ahead and join each layer respectively. I'm going to be joining the level 2, the level 3, and level 4. You're going to sew on that line, using the line as a guide. So you're going to be attaching the flare to each line respectively. Remember, we numbered them 4, 3, 2, 1. So after doing that, the next thing to do is to fix the zipper. I'm going to be fixing my zipper. This is what it looks like after fixing the flare. So you fix your zipper. So this is the finished project. This is what it looks like. Please, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, please share this video, and please, if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. See you in the next one. Bye.